Let us see another problem. Okay. Both UDLs. (12 kilonewton per meter, 18 kilonewton per meter), 6 meters, 4 meters. Okay, A, B, C. Now we will solve this. Now, what is that? Joint span K, sigma K, and distribution factor. So joint B take, okay, BA span, BC span K. How much? 4A by 6, 4A by 4. Total is how much? 4 by 6 plus 4 by 4 is 1. How much? 10 by 6, huh? 10A
5 by 3.
10A by 6, huh? Okay. Or 5 by 3 also. Okay. Distribution factor is now 0.4 and 0.6, right? 0.4, 0.6. Correct, enough? Table is like this.
Yes, sir.
0.4, 0.6. Fixed moment. WL square by 12. 12 into 6 square by 12. That is minus 36 and
36 plus 36.
Here WL square by 12 here also. 16, 18 into 16 by 12. That is 24.
Plus 24 minus 20. Minus 24 plus 24.
Okay, right. Now net is here 36 minus 24 equal to 12. So minus 12 we need to apply opposite direction. Minus 12 into 0.4 and minus 12 into 0.6. That is 4.8 minus 4.8 minus 7.2 minus 4.8 minus 7.2. Carry overs minus 2.4 minus 3.6. So minus 38.4 here, 36 minus 4.8, 31.2,
sir.
minus 1.2, and here 24 minus 3.6,
Minus 9,
3.4.
31.6.
Like this you can get moments. Okay, after getting moments it's very simple. Here I will mark here moments. The minus means anti-clockwise 38.4, clockwise 31.2, anti-clockwise 31.2, clockwise 20.5. Like that you can easily mark, and even we can find reactions also very simply. See here 12 into 6 how much? 72. 72 means 36,
72.
ఎవరు sound వస్తుంది. And minus 30 anti-clockwise 38.4 plus 31.2 net by 6 how much? 38.4 is dominating, anti-clockwise is more. 38.4 minus 31.2 difference how much? Anti-clockwise is more, that's why clockwise couple should come like this. That is 7.2 by 6.
1.2.
1.2, 1.2. Similarly here,
1.2.
18 into 4, 72. 72 means here also 36, 36. Then net moment here is here, minus 31.2 plus 20.4. How much? 10.8. 10.8 by 4. Anti-clockwise is more. So clockwise couple should come.
2.7.
2.7. 2.7. 2.7. So now total reactions are, here total reaction is 36 1.2, 37.2. This one 36 minus 2.7, 33.3. Here B reaction is 36 plus 36 plus 2.7 minus 1.2. How much?
73.7.
93 point.
73.5.
73.
73.5.
So these are the reactions, A, B, C reactions, movements. So everything is analyzed. Now, of course, you can draw SFD, BMD, all those things. So you need to understand how to analyze the beam. Okay, next. ఎవరికైనా డౌట్ ఉంటే అడగండి. కీర్తి క్లియర్ కదమ్మా?
Yes, sir.
దీపిక
Yes, sir.
అర్థమవుతుంది కదమ్మా క్లియర్ గా?
అర్థమవుతుంది.
ఓకే అమ్మా, నెక్స్ట్. Suppose if you have four ends both hinged also, we'll see. Here, suppose if you have loads like this, 30 kilonewtons, 20 kilonewtons, 4 meter, 4 meter, 3 meter, 3 meter. Okay. A, B, C. We can start in similar manner. First, we'll draw table column. Of course, we need to find distribution factors. So joint is B here, spans BA, BC. Then stiffness. See, four end is hinged here. BA, A is hinged one. So 3A by L, 3A by 8. BC span also four end hinged. So 3A by 6. So sigma K is now 3 by 8, 3A by 8 plus 3A by 6, which is equal to how much? 24 is LCM. So, Emma? 5 by?
7 by 8.
7 by 8. Okay. 8. So, distribution factor is now K by sigma K will be how much?
3 by 7, 4 by 7.
Yeah, 3 by 7, 4 by 7. Now 3 by 7, 4 by 7. So fixed moments, WL by PL by PL by 8. So span is 8. So P is 30, L 8 by 8. So minus 30 plus 30, right? Minus 30 plus 30 fixed moments. 3L by 8, 20 into 6 by 8, 15. Correct enough?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we know here it is A end or C end are hinged supports or roller supports. So basically we don't have any moment here. So but after fixing we are getting some moment. We need to release that. Releasing of moment is nothing but application of opposite moment like this. Then it becomes zero. I mean it becomes released. Okay. After releasing, 50% of moment will go to far end. That means 30 goes here, 15 here, minus 15 goes to here to be 7.5. So 50% of moment should go to far end. Here by applying 30 here, we need to apply here 15. By applying 15 here to make that 0, we need to apply 7.5 here. So now the net moments will be like this: 0 here, 45 here, minus 22.5 here, 0 here. క్లియర్ కదా? అందరికీ అర్థమైందా? ఎందుకు అక్కడ 0 చేస్తున్నాం అనేది అర్థమైంది కదా? హింజ్ కానీ రోలర్ కానీ ఉన్నట్టయితే అక్కడ మూమెంట్ ఉండే ప్రసక్తే లేదు కాబట్టి దాన్ని 0 చేసి క్యారీ ఓవర్ చేసి ప్రాపర్ గా ఫైనల్ మూమెంట్స్ తీసుకురావాలన్నమాట. ఇప్పుడు నౌ we can distribute it. Okay, so what is total? 45 minus 22.5 which is equal to 22.5. so opposite we need to apply minus 22.5 into 3 by 7, how much? Minus 22.5 into 4 by 7, how much? Minus
9.64.
64. One more digit.
642.
642.
Okay, this one minus
12.85.
858.
857.
85.
857, sir.
857. Plus total should be round figure. Okay, we need to round properly. Now we need to apply here. We need to apply this one minus 9.642 here, minus 12.858. No carry over because these are far ends are hinged one. No carry over required here. Now net moments are like this: 0 here, how much?
35.358. 35.358.
Here minus 35.358. 0. So here clockwise 35.358, anti-clockwise 35.358. That's all. Now finding reactions. See, 30 will distribute like this: first 15 and 15. That 35.358 is clockwise. For that anti-clockwise couple we need to put like this: anti-clockwise 35.358 by 8, how much? $35.358 divided by 8.
4.419, sir. 4.419.
4.419. Here anti-clockwise is there. So here first of all 20 will split into 10 and 10. Then minus 35.358. That means anti-clockwise. For that we need to apply clockwise. 35.358 by 6.
5.893.
5.893.
893.
5.893. Okay. Now net moments are like this. Net RA is how much? 15 minus 4.419. 10.581. Right?
Yes, sir.
And last C is 3 point.
4.
4.1
0.015
not 0 109 107 right
107.
4.107 central moment central reaction 15 plus 10 plus 4.419 plus 5.893 how much around 30 something right 25 30 34
5.23, sir.
30
35.23.
35 point
112.
112
31.
కరెక్ట్ చెప్పండి 35 పాయింట్
31, sir. 35.31.
35 పాయింట్
2.
312 okay right so
312.
these are the reactions okay so from this we can draw shear force diagram as well as bending moment diagram all those things so we need to understand how to analyze forends or hinged means what to do we need to understand here okay you should not forget to make it 0 and parallelly we need to apply carry over to forend also after getting final moments these are final moments these are fixed moments so after getting final moments then only we need to start distribution okay next we'll see one more problem now we will take one end fixed other end roller like this A, B, C 30 kilonewtons 9 kilonewton per meter 3 meter 3 meter 4 meter okay now tabular column will be like this then joint B span BA BC stiffness 4EI by how much 6 BC stiffness 3EI by 4 okay then sigma K 4 by 6 plus 3 by 4 A which is equal to 16 plus
17
17 by
12.
by 6
12, sir.
12 okay A distribution factor 4 by 6 by into 12 by 17 means 8 by 17 check it
Sir, 8 by
and 9 by 17 right
9 by 17. Yes, sir.
okay 8 by 17 9 by 17 so distribution factors are important next fixed moments WL by PL by 8 that means 30 into 6 by 8 minus 22.5 right plus 22.5 then WL square by 12 9 into 4 square 16 by 12 4 by 3 16 huh? 9 into 16 by 12 4 by 3
16 correct.
16 ana
Yes, sir.
etla 16 WL square by 12 kada
into 4 square by 12 కదా sir.
16 by 12 ఎంత అవుతుంది 12 అవుతుందా
12, sir.
12.
Yes sir.
16 అంటే కరెక్ట్ అన్నారు 12 and 12 okay minus 12 and 12 now we should not forget always whenever you have a hinged support over there or roller support for end obviously we need to make it 0 first. That means here minus 12. These are fixed moments only. Final moments we need to find. So minus 12. That means here minus 6 carry over. Okay. Then final moments are like this. Minus 22.5, 22.5, minus 18 and 0. Now, what is this 22.5 minus 18? How much? 4.5. So we need to apply opposite direction. Minus 4.5 into 8 by 17 and minus 4.5 into 9 by 17. So those values are how much?
5.13.
ఎంతమ్మా?
2.11, sir.
11?
2.117.
117.
118.
2.11.
117,
117, sir.
okay. Then this one?
2.382.
38.
2 కాదు 3. మీరు చూసుకోవాలి, రౌండింగ్ చూసుకోవాలి. 7 3 కూడితే సరిపోవాలన్నమాట.
Sir, పైన 118 sir.
118, ఓకే. రౌండింగ్ చేయడం చాలా ప్రాపర్ గా చేయాలన్నమాట. ఇది 382 నా?
Yes, sir.
ఓకే, డన్. Minus 2.118 minus 2.382. So here carry over comes to end A only, not end C. Okay, because that is for end is hinged means no carry over. So 2.118 means minus 1 point. How much?
059.
059. Okay. Now total is minus 23.559. Here 20.382 minus 20.382 0. So these are the moments. So if you mark here, this will be anti-clockwise 23.559 or 56, 2 decimal places. Clockwise 20.38, anti-clockwise 20.38 and 0. So now reactions also you can work out. 30 means here 15 and 15 and 23 anti-clockwise is more, so clockwise couple will come here. How much more? 23.56 minus 20.38, that is the difference of moments, divided by 6. How much? Point
0.53.
0.53, sir.
0.53, 0.53. Here also 9 into 4, 36 is the total load. 36 means 18 and 18. Then 20.38 is the imbalancing anti-clockwise. For that, clockwise is required like this: 20.38 by 4.
5.095.
Okay. Now net reactions are, see this net reaction is here 5.53. This net reaction is 12.91. This net reaction is 15 plus 18 plus 5.09 minus 0.53. How much?
$37.56.
37.56. Okay. These are the reactions. Okay, kilonewtons. These are kilonewton meter. Like this. Okay. So you understood how to compute all these things, right? Next. Try these problems. Or I will do one more problem. Sometimes you may have overhanging portion like this. Overhanging, okay? And loads may be, and here load may be eccentric, okay? 30 kilonewtons, 9 kilonewton per meter, 3 meter and 1 meter, 4 meter. Here suppose some point load may be there here, 10 kilonewtons, 2 meters here, okay? Now how to solve this? A, B, C and D, okay? Now our tabular form will be like this. Okay. Okay. See, joint. B joint is there, C joint also is there. Spans. BA, BC, CB, CD. K. 4A by 4. BC. 4A by, tell me, sorry. BC, how much? BC.
3A/4.
Yeah, 3A by 4. Because fore end is hinged only here, even though if you have cantilever, it is treated as a, because no restriction is there. If you apply some moment, fore end is freely rotates, that's why. No restriction about rotation at C. That's why 3A by 4. And at C, C to B, 4A by 4. C to B, C to D, 0. Okay, C to B 4A by, because fore end is actually continuation is there, after that some fixity is there. So like in this kind of situation, some continuation is there and it is not a cantilever means, I mean overhanging means, definitely it is stiffness is 4A by L. Okay, CB is 4A by L, CD 0. Then sigma K 3 by 4, sorry, 4 by 4 plus 3 by 4.
7 by 4.
7 by 4 EA. Distribution factor. 4 by 4, 7 by 4. 4 cancel. 4 by 7, right? This is 3 by 7. Here sum is 4A by 4 only. Here 1, here 0. Okay. That means 4 by 7, 3 by 7, 1 and 0 like this. Now fixed moments. Tell me fixed moments. W L square by 12.
Sir, CB the stiffness factor ఒకసారి చెప్పరా?
C to B. B and ఇది కంటిన్యూషన్ అన్నమాట. ఇది సింపుల్ సపోర్ట్ అన్నమాట. ఓకే, హింజ్ కాదు ఇది. ఆ సపోర్ట్ ఎలా ఉంటుందంటే నీకు ఇలా ఉన్నప్పుడు ఇది ఫిక్స్ అయినప్పుడు ఇక్కడ నీకు సింపుల్ సపోర్ట్ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఇలా ఉన్నప్పుడు if you apply some rotation here, it cannot move freely, right? If you apply some rotation, if you apply some moment here, it cannot freely rotate it. It will restricted by this continuation of AB. I mean B to A continuation is there, no? So it will be obstructed. Actually, we need to fix here before doing anything. We are fixing here. So like that, we are not fixing at D. That's why C is treated as a far end hinged. For B support, BC is treated as a 3A by L case, because if you apply some rotation here, we are not fixing at C or D. That's why it is 3A by L. C to B, if you take another span is there. That's why it is 4A by L. Nitish, clear kada? CB తర్వాత మళ్ళీ ఉంది కదా స్పాన్. బి ఎండ్ కాదు కదా,
అర్థమైంది సార్.
బి ఎండ్ కాదు కాబట్టి అది ఫిక్స్ చేసాం, బి దగ్గర ఫిక్స్ చేసామన్నమాట. సో 9 into ఇంటర్నెట్ కట్ అయింది కదా, ఇంటర్నెట్ కట్ అయ్యి అందరికి వినపడుతుందా?
Yes, sir.
ఇద్దరు ఉన్నారు పార్టిసిపెంట్స్. ఓకే, కట్ అయింది, మళ్ళీ చేద్దాం.
సార్
మళ్ళీ చేద్దాం. మ్యూట్లో పెట్టుకోండి. UDL 9 kilonewton per meter. This is 4 meters. Here how much? 30, right? 30 kilonewtons. 3 meter, 1 meter, 2 meter. Here how much? 20 kilonewtons. A, B, C, D. Mute lo pettukondi. C. Span BA, BC, మ్యూట్ లో పెట్టుకోండి అందరూ. BA, BC, CB, CD. ఎవరు ఇంకా మాట్లాడుతున్నారు? దీపిక. Okay, BA 4A by 4. BC 3A by 4. CB 4A by 4, 0. Sigma K 4 by 4 plus 3 by 4. 7 by 4 EI, 4 EI by 4. So this is 4 by 7, 3 by 7, 1 and 0. Like this, like this. Like this. Sixteen moments are 9 into 4 square by 12, 16 by 12. That is 9 into 16 by 12. 4 3 is minus 12 plus 12. Here 16 moments are 30 into AB square by L square. 30 into 3 into 1 square by 4 square 16. 90 by 16, how much?
Five point six two five.
Minus 5.625.
625.
Then 30 into a square b by l square. 30 into 3 square into 1 by 4 square.
16.875.
16.875.
875. Here, see 20 into 2 is there, right? 20 into 2 clockwise couple. For that fixing moment is minus 40. See, minus 40. Okay? 20 into 2 clockwise couple, for that minus 40. And here distribution factors also will mark 4 by 7, 3 by 7. Here 1, 0. First, we make it adjust at joint C. See how much imbalance is there here? Minus 40 plus 16.875. How much? 16.875 minus 40. Net how much? Minus 3.125. Right? So we need to apply 23.125 into 1 equal to 23.125 and 23.125 into 0, 0. So that means here 23.125 and 0 we need to apply, and we need to have final moments like this for distribution purpose. So these are fixed moments. Now we will get final moments. For carryover also here 11 point how much? Five 625, huh?
1.5625.
5625. So minus 12. 12. How much is this one? 11 minus 5. చిన్న సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ కింద టైం తీసుకుంటున్నారు ఎందుకు మీరు? క్యాలిక్యులేటర్ లేవా మీ దగ్గర?
5.93, sir.
5.93. Okay. What about here? 40 and 0.